Hello, in this video I'm going to talk about the NI LabVIEW and its capability of developing software for your monitoring system. Okay, first of all, LabVIEW is not just a graphical tool to generate program, it's a programming language itself. It has all the elements of the standard programming language to develop very uh, reliable and real-time software for your controller and monitoring application. When you start your NI program, it gives you a VI. Here is front panel and it's a block diagram. When you add an element in the, for example, you add LED in the front panel, it gives you an element in block diagram. This is the LED, so I can add a logic button here, and by connecting these two guys together and running the program, I can put whatever is in Boolean 2 into Boolean 1. Let's give them a valid name. So this is A, this is B. Okay, so when I push this guy, run, it just runs one time your program. But if I push this run continuously, it runs all over again, and I can uh, update B value, but by A controller all the time. Okay, what if we don't want to press this running continuously? What if we want to have the program has its own while loop to repeat the process all the time? So we have the tools here. Right click on the block diagram and you have a structure and you have a while loop. You see other loops here for case structure and other loop. But for now, we go to while loop. Every while loop should have a stopping point, so we can add here. As long as you don't put the stop point here, this arrow is broken. That shows some errors in your design. So I put here, create a control. It gives me a controller here to stop the while loop. So now if I push this button, the program runs continuously, but there's a difference between this and the running continuously button. When you push the running continuously, the program starts all over again. Okay, but here just running the what is inside the while loop. So you may have some code before while loop, they won't run again, but everything inside the while will run. Okay, so that was some interesting fact about the LabVIEW is that you can simply have a concurrent program. For example, if I put another while here and I can monitor the counters, I put the controller that guy. In order to see these variables, I can put some delay here Okay, and so that's wrong. This is the loop A, loop 1, and this is the loop 2. Okay, let's go ahead. You see that loop 1 and loop 2. Okay, I had something wrong here. Loop 1, this is loop 1, okay, running slower than the loop 2. Uh, you have both of them running concurrently. So you can add other while loop to your program to run concurrently to do some concurrent stuff and concurrent programming in your design. Uh, another uh, powerful fact about the LabVIEW is that it has built-in uh, OPC server for communicating with industrial PLCs and DCAs and other stuff. LabVIEW, most of the technical products like oscilloscope, logic analyzers, power analyzers, RF generators, signal generators, most of them have the drivers, NI drivers for their products. So if you buy those products and you want to build a supervisory control for your equipment, you already have the driver to communicate with them. Uh, I'm not going to run deeply into the LabVIEW in this session. I'm just going to give you an overview about the capability of the LabVIEW, and in next sessions I will go through step by step deep in what really LabVIEW capable to do. And if you are programming some other languages, for example Python, C, C++, it also may help you to figure out some new concepts in your programming language because it is graphical and helps you to visualize most of the stuff. Okay, let's finish this session and I will continue this in next one. Thank you.